Need to get this air fuel screw out of this carburetor. Somebody jammed in there, got it cross-threaded or something. I don't know. I can't get it to move. Got my little bit here. I tried a different carb body, but the other carb body doesn't work. It's just the body. So I'm still going to have to get this air fuel screw out of here. And I mean, it is tight in there. So I'm going to have to heat the carb body up a little bit. See if I can't get it to move, or I'm going to have to get another carburetor again. If I can find another one. Put a little heat to it. I don't know if they got it cross-threaded or if they got it assembled wrong. This carb was it was lean and had pretty lean jetting in it as far as the main jet. The intermediate's 42 they had in there, which is okay. 42, I usually do 42 or 45 depending on what it needs. Air fuel screw, ain't got no idea what's in there. Couldn't get it to budge on the bike, so needed the other bike running, so I ended up taking the carb off the salvage bike and throwing it on 883 or 883 board out to a 1200 black Sportster. And let's see if we can get this out of here. If you ever have to drill them out, it's easier to use do it on a Bridgeport, or at least a drill press where you can lock the carb down and get dead center on the screw. And it's still kind of iffy getting it out. You know, at that point you're looking, sometimes it's easier to just get another carburetor. But I don't really want to have to go find another carburetor. Spent about an hour dicking with this carburetor trying to get the air fuel screw out. It ain't coming out. I done heated it and used a hand impact on it, and it ain't coming out, man. So the only option I got, and I've done it before, is to cut the tower off here. I'm not doing that to this one because I already found another carburetor. I just got off the phone with a buddy of mine who's got a friend of a friend's got a brand new carburetor in a box, supposedly, but it's a complete carb, so that's good. Pretty much freebie, or tradesy really. We trade shit back and forth all the time, so it'll give me free crap and I'll give him free crap. Kind of help each other out like that. But I ain't got to mess with it anymore, so I got one carb that's messed up, and I got one carb that needs this float's different, so this float actually goes with this one. I was going to use this carb body here, but the bowl's different and float's different on it. This is a -90 carb, this is a -99. Evidently they upgraded them or did something different about it. Anyway, that's enough 8-up carburetors for today. Got I don't even know what else I got to do today. Might go work on the damn tractor or start working on that Sportster there again to get the top end off and the cam cover and all that. Maybe not. Might go for a ride here in a little bit. Feels pretty good out. It's 80-something degrees. Don't know. Still got to do the front end on the Beamer. This thing's making all kinds of racket. Steering head bearings are loose, I guess. That's what it feels like. Rattling. Pretty bad. Got a bad chatter to it. Anyway, that's it. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Hit the notification bell, all that stuff. And have a great day. Have a great weekend. What's left of it.